I may have to turn the autofocus off because I've got a moving background and it keeps on like trying to focus on my face and then the fish and then my face and then the fish. Can you see? Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Hi ladies! Okay, so today's video is a super important one for all those parents out there that are really struggling, or maybe just not so much struggling, but kind of just feeling like they need time for themselves. You guys have got... Can you hear that? I've got next door like working away on their house. Okay, we're just gonna have to ignore it. You guys have got to get rid of the guilt and the worry about feeling selfish and like you're not a good enough mum if you feel like you need me time, because everyone needs me time. After I have me time, I feel like a much calmer, better version of myself, and it is so, so important. I will quickly mention, before I get started on the list, there is a Channel Mum forum. They are amazing. They've got psychiatrists, they've got professional people, real mums, people from the general public just helping you out. I will put the link here, I will put it down below. Please go on and have a look. You can scroll through the posts and see if anything's really relatable to you, because it's all about not feeling alone. When I had my depression, I felt so alone. I had never seen anyone talk about intrusive thoughts, and I was like, oh my god, I'm literally the only one in the whole wide world going through this, because no one else was talking about it. This is why I make my YouTube videos, so I can talk to you guys about everything that everyone's thinking. They're just so scared to say out loud. So a lot of the time when I look after myself, it's either something simple as having a bath without the kids joining you, going shopping without the kids joining you, taking half an hour out to read a book, sitting down for 10 minutes and painting your nails, just anything. And I found a lot of the time when my kids were little, it was very overwhelming being downstairs and having like the telly on. So what we tended to do was just have like half an hour where everyone just goes to their bedrooms, they play with their favourite toys, and I found that that way we could just all kind of take a break. I mean, I remember when Charlie was a baby, like baby, like newborn, I would literally say to Matt, right, I'm just taking the stuff out to the bins, and I would literally just like walk the slowest up to the bin and then like place it in and then like walk back again, just so I had like a few minutes to myself. How pathetic does that sound? But it was obvious that I wasn't taking time out for myself. And if you've got, you know, friends, family, your partner, just make sure that you have that time, because it is so, so important. Another big thing that I tend to do is go to bed early. I know it's really difficult when the kids have only just gone to bed themselves and they're just trying to settle, and you feel like you need a little bit of time just to kind of chill out and eat dinner and watch a bit of telly. But honestly, that episode of Jeremy Kyle or whatever can wait. Get to bed at a good time, especially if you have little ones that wake up during the night. I would literally, as soon as the kids were sound asleep, I would like quickly chuck stuff in the dishwasher, quickly, you know, just flap about a bit, and then I would go to bed and I would just rest. I would, you know, read a book, read a magazine, get off social media, just take time for yourself. It is so, so important. Obviously, you're watching this video right now, so you're taking time out for yourself, so that is good. What I like to do is, whilst the kids are eating their breakfast, I have my me time where I do my makeup and just sort of sit in my little makeup bubble, and I do like my moisturiser and my foundation and my eyeshadow. And I've actually done a little eyeshadow look for you guys today. So here I have a pink, it's like a colour stain thing by Maybelline. This is all MAC eyeshadow here, just in the crease, and then like a shimmery one up here as well. My eyebrows are tattooed on, so I don't really need to do a lot with them. I have literally nothing on my face because my face is breaking out at the moment. But just something as simple as that, just making 10 minutes for yourself, just do your makeup, do your hair, make yourself just feel really pretty for the day. I feel like absolute rubbish if I walk around the house all day with my hair tied up in like a bun or a ponytail. I just feel as good as I look, really. A load of rubbish. I do hope this video was really helpful. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to me for free, subscribe to Channel Mum, and I will see you in my next video. Please look after yourselves, guys. You are doing an amazing job. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, ladies. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.